Hi, my name is Parth Guglani. I am currently working with Domino's as analytics manager in the marketing team. We have done a lot of A/B testing currently in Domino's, which has helped us attribute the exact revenue that we have been getting through our CRM campaigns, and that has been possible because of a lot of experiments that we have done through MoEngage. How we calculate our revenue sales through CRM is from every campaign. There is a universal control group that has been segregated out, and there's a unique calculation for that control group through all of that campaigns inclusively. So there's not. So we have done that for every other campaign. It is not just for any single campaign that we have done it for. Currently, we are working with across about 100 cohorts, which are based on the aspects of recency of the user on our platform, the frequency of that user coming back to us, their discount affinity on our platform, and their order value on our platform. These are the major buckets that we look into to create several cohorts for us, and then we cater discounts to them and giving us a better ROI. Currently, there's a lot of personalization that we have been doing with respect to our push campaigns or in-apps or emails. That has really helped us nail down the user with respect to their catered communication to that user with respect to their behavior on the app. And that personalization has really helped us increase our revenues, like twice-fold actually. It has been pretty good, honestly, and there have been certain issues and which has been resolved in the due time, and the TAT has been really good. And Sunil and the Tanmoy that we are working with currently has been on point with everything that we've asked for right now. So yeah, it has been great. Absolutely.